Welcome to Media Manager Online, South Africa's most important media information source and planning tool. This tutorial covers MediaMail. MediaMail is an add-on module which enables you to email directly from people or custom lists created within Media Manager. You are then able to verify receipts, track opening and clicking per person on the list. The sophisticated back-end technology is used by Uber, Airbnb, and Spotify in the US. The MediaMail module is accessed by clicking on MediaMail located on the menu bar at the top. If you're having trouble accessing MediaMail, it may not be enabled on your profile. MediaMail is not enabled if the MediaMail module is not visible on the menu bar. To request a quote for MediaMail to be enabled, contact Media Manager via the Contact Us link at the bottom of the page. By default, you will be directed to the MediaMail Terms of Service page. MediaMail is a service reserved for the emailing of relevant information, messages, and press releases to appropriate editorial contacts. MediaMail should not be used for sending spam, inappropriate material, or for the promotion of the sale of unsolicited goods and services. Therefore, a maximum limit of 250 people has been set per message. Read the terms of service at your leisure and either accept by pressing the blue Accept button or decline by pressing the red Decline button. However, note, if you decline the terms of service, the MediaMail module will automatically be disabled from your profile. After accepting, you'll be directed to the MediaMail dashboard. A list of recently sent messages is displayed together with the message statistics. Messages in the dashboard can be sorted by date of creation, client, campaign, message title, or by the delivery stats. Click on the relevant field to sort ascending or descending depending on the direction of the arrow. To access this page at a later stage, click on Dashboard in the application menu on the left-hand side. A list of existing clients is displayed on the sidebar on the left. Click on the target client to view the campaigns nested within. To create a new client, click on Clients in the application menu. A list of existing clients will be displayed. Click on New Client on the right-hand side of the taskbar, type the client name in the text box, and submit. To create a new campaign, select the client you would like to add to, and click on New Campaign in the taskbar. Type the campaign name in the text box, and click Submit. Campaigns are ranked in alphanumeric order. Thus, December will appear before January if text alone is used. We recommend using both numbers and text in your naming conventions so that campaigns can be arranged in a systematic order. To pin a frequently accessed campaign to the client sidebar, select the target campaign and click on Pin to Sidebar in the taskbar. You will now note the campaign will be permanently displayed under the respective client in the client sidebar. To unpin a campaign, select the target campaign and click on Unpin to Sidebar in the taskbar. To edit a client or campaign, select the target client or campaign and click Edit in the taskbar. Make the changes as necessary and click Submit. To delete a client or campaign, select the target client or campaign and click Delete in the taskbar. You will then be prompted to confirm the removal of this client or campaign. Note, once a client or campaign has been deleted, all campaigns and messages nested within will also be deleted and cannot be recovered. To create a new message, select the target campaign and click New Message. You will then be directed to the message editor. Required fields will display required in the relevant text box. The fields are as follows. Title. Enter the title for the message. This is the subject line in the mail to be sent. Use greeting. Tick the box if you would like to have a greeting at the start of the mail. Greeting. Select the greeting type from the drop-down menu. Various options are available, for example, Hi or Dear. Name format. Select the name format you would like to use from the drop-down menu. Various options are available, for example, first name or first name then surname. The recipient's name details are collected from created Media Manager people lists or custom lists, providing that the information was entered correctly on the custom list. Comment. Your additional description of events, activities, background, or future action relating to the message, if any. Note, this comment will only be visible to you, the editor, and not the recipient of the mail. Message. Enter the body of the email by either typing it directly into the text box provided or by copying and pasting a Microsoft Word document. There are various tools which you can use to format your message. These are font formatting tools, adjust text style, adjust text size, apply a bold, italic, or underline format to text. Paragraph formatting tools, create bulleted and numbered lists, modify text alignment, increase or decrease paragraph indentation. Inserting tools, insert or edit an image in the body of the mail, insert a link, insert a table and format the cells, insert a horizontal line in the body of the mail. Lastly, full screen mode. When designing the body of the mail, it is important to keep in mind the message may appear different to the original designed mail, depending on what device the recipient is using, desktop, tablet, or mobile, the screen resolution, or the mail provider the recipient is using. For example, mails viewed in Gmail will look different to Microsoft Outlook. Once you are complete with creating your message, click Submit. To add an attachment to your mail, click on Add Attachment in the taskbar. Click on Choose File, find the location of the file located on your computer, and click Open. Add a description, if any, in the text box, and once complete, click Submit. To send a test message, click Send Test Message. A sample email will be sent to the email address allocated to the current profile. To make further changes to the mail created, click Edit and make the changes as necessary in the message editor. Once all required changes have been made, click Submit. Once you are finished creating your message and you are satisfied with how the message looks in the test message, click Close Message. You will be prompted to confirm the close of this message. Once a message is closed, you will not be able to edit its content or upload any attachments. If you would like to return to your message to make further edits, navigate to your message by clicking the message title highlighted in blue above the Confirm Close. To confirm the close of the message, tick the Confirm Close box and submit. Now that the mail has been established, you can send the mail to a people list or custom list on Media Manager. If you need help with creating lists, refer to the Lists video tutorial or user manual downloaded from the Help module on Media Manager. To send a mail, navigate to the target message and click on Send to Lists in the taskbar. There are 3 ways in which you can send out your mail. The first tab allows you to cherry-pick people from a list. Click on the People tab, select the list you would like to choose from, select the people you would like to send the mail to by ticking the corresponding box, and click Submit at the bottom of the page. The second tab allows you to blast send to all recipients within the selected list or lists. Click on the Lists tab, select the list or lists you would like to send the mail to by ticking the corresponding box, and click Submit. The third tab allows you to send the mail to a previous mail run. This is useful when sending follow-up mails for an event, as an example. Click on the Previous Mail Run tab, select the title of the relevant previously sent mail from the drop-down box, and click Submit. The mail run has now been queued for the created message, and a summary is displayed as confirmation. Note that a person within a people list may be repeated a few times if they work on multiple mediums within the brand. MediaMail captures and filters the multiple entries so that only one email is sent per email address. To recall a message to send to additional people within a list or another list, navigate to the message either via the dashboard or through the client sidebar. Select the target message, click on Send to Lists in the taskbar, and choose the persons or list you would like to send to. If the message has already been sent to a person in a previous mail run, the same message will not be sent again. Note, per message, there is a 250 person limit. To view the delivery statistics for the sent mail, click on Delivery Stats. The delivery stats are categorized by Sent by, the initials of the person who sent the mail. Date, the date on which the mail was sent. Recipient, name of the person who received the mail. Source, name of the list. Sent, tick or cross confirming if the mail was sent to the recipient. Delivered, tick or cross confirming if the mail was delivered to the inbox of the recipient. Opening, tick or cross confirming if the mail was opened by the recipient. Clicked, tick or cross confirming if the recipient interacted with the mail by either clicking a link in the body of the mail or by opening an attachment. Click on the relevant field to sort ascending or descending depending on the direction of the arrow. To view the linked media the recipient is associated to, tick the Show Linked Media box. The recipient's affiliated media will now be displayed. Note, the opening and clicked stats are dependent on the recipient's firewall properties. Firewalls with a high level of security could block this information, and therefore there is a possibility that the opening and clicked stats are higher than displayed. Recipients who the mail was not sent and delivered to will be listed under the warnings at the bottom of the page. There are 3 instances why the mail was not sent. The relevant cause will be listed under the related column with a tick. Bounce. The email was not sent because the recipient's email address is incorrect, the recipient has moved companies, or the recipient's inbox is full. Note, Media Manager gets notification of all bounce backs, and we will follow up with the associated media owner and update the email address providing the recipient is listed on Media Manager and not on a custom list. Unsubscribed. The recipient has unsubscribed from press releases sent by the Media Manager user which sent the mail. Global Blacklist. The recipient has unsubscribed from all mails sent by MediaMail and will not receive mails from any MediaMail user. To add a personalized mail signature for the user profile, click on the Account option in the menu bar at the top. Select the blue button Options in the taskbar and insert your email signature in the text box provided. Edit the text as necessary and click Submit. To customize the mail font for all messages, click on the Account option in the menu bar at the top. Select the blue button Options in the taskbar and choose from the mail font options provided. Note, if you copy and paste from Microsoft Word into the message box when creating a message, the Microsoft Word font will override this selection. Therefore, ensure all text formats are correct in the Microsoft Word document before copying and pasting into MediaMail. We hope you have found this guide useful. If you need any more guidance, contact us on 011-465-3704 or desk@mediamanager.co.za.